Top strategies for successful furniture import in India in 2024. In 2022, India's furniture market was valued at $23 billion and is projected to reach $39 billion by 2027. This growth is driven by urbanization, rising disposable incomes, and a shift in consumer preferences post-COVID. India became the 32nd largest furniture importer globally in 2022, with imports worth $669 million. The majority of imports come from China, the United Kingdom, and India itself. The market is fragmented with no single company dominating, creating a competitive landscape. Leading importers include Lila Handicrafts, IKEA, and Herman Miller Furniture. India imports various types of furniture, such as wooden, cane, and upholstered furniture. Wooden furniture made from rosewood, teak, and shisham is the most popular, while cane and upholstered furniture offer lightweight and luxurious options. Successful furniture import in India requires proper planning, price negotiation, finding genuine suppliers, and engaging professional import agents. Utilizing import data can help identify demand and negotiate competitive prices. India's furniture market is expanding rapidly, yet it still relies heavily on imports. As the market grows, opportunities for innovation and meeting domestic demand continue to rise. So, connect with Seair XM Solutions for updated insights on India furniture imports or global trade data. Book a free live demo now.